At my back, it's the proud school of our first runner-up for the Songbird Year 12, JJ. Of course, diri siya nag-eskwela sa Nia Elementary, the pride of Bingle. With me is of course the proud teacher of JJ, math subject, and of course the coach man siya when it comes to music. So we have Sir Julie Jorda. Sir, a few message lang din para kay JJ.
Si JJ, nag-start na siya grade 5. So ako man siya ng coach siya. So when it comes sa music okay man sa quality of voice na okay man.
There you have it, guys, the first runner-up of the 2012 Iloilo Songbird, John Joseph Siray. So again, keep on watching Good Day Western Visayas. I am your host, June Patrimonio Portal. Bye-bye!